3, 2, 1.
Are Bligh and Henry Paul both Americans? The answer is B, yes. Helminthology is the study of which creatures? The answer is B, worms. When did the Spanish conquer Alsace? The answer is A, 1639. Alvin Stardust first found fame under what name? The answer is B, Shane Fenton. What language did scribes use over Akkadian? The answer is A, Sumerian. What was one of the rumors that Jews were doing in regard to shelters? The answer is B, secured the best shelters via underhanded methods. 4/3 pi r cubed is a mathematical formula that is used to calculate the volume of a sphere. If the radius is doubled, by how much does the volume increase? The answer is C, 8 times. Where would this have likely to occur? The answer is B, Tinder. Who scored 5 tries for Leeds in the 2015 Rugby League Challenge Cup final? The answer is A, Tom Briscoe. What percentage of oxygen will a zeolite sieve produce? The answer is A, 90% to 93%. Who was sent to Korea to act as an advisor to Kim Il-sung? The answer is A, General H. Zakharov. The 360 multimedia capabilities transformed it from a game console to what? The answer is B, a hub for living room computing entertainment. On the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, a diamond is at the hardest end of the scale with a value of 10. What substance is the softest with a value of 1? The answer is C, tau. Why may the narrator be grateful for Jess? The answer is C, Jess woke them up. What is the most electron pair bonds a nitrogen atom can participate in? The answer is B, 4. In what year was the Imperial Taiwan University founded in China? The answer is B, 1895. What substance is the basis of the gold refining technique known as inquartation and parting, since it can dissolve silver and other base metals but not gold? The answer is A, nitric acid. What was the title of Beyonce's mother's book? The answer is C, Destiny's Style. What are Islamic saints or hermits called? The answer is D, marabouts. What is the birthday of the actor who starred in movies like Flyboys, Milk, Pineapple Express, and Rise of the Planet of the Apes? The answer is D. April 19, 1978. Of what nationality was Perrin? The answer is D. French. Who was the first official Postmaster General of the United States? The answer is A. Samuel Osgood. Where is the Greek island of Antikythera located between? The answer is C. Kythera and Crete. What year was the election held? The answer is D. 2005. What bird is mentioned in the Book of Job? The answer is B. Hawk. In the TV series Kyle XY, why is Josh reluctant to touch Andy's breasts? The answer is A. Because it's their last day together. Where are we drinking alcohol? The answer is A. At a party. The Pied Piper of Hamelin got rid of the rats by leading them into which river? The answer is C. Weser. Who is Littlewhit's mother-in-law? The answer is D. Dame Purecraft. If you ordered homard in a French restaurant, what shellfish would you be served? The answer is B. Lobster. Which rooms are used for less formal entertaining such as luncheons or private audiences? The answer is B. The semi-state apartments. What pulls an air bridge to the aircraft? The answer is C. Tow tractor. The gunpowder plot, planned for 5 November 1605, was an attempt by a group of Catholics to blow up the English Parliament and which monarch? The answer is C. James I. Before Einstein, speed was thought to be relative to what? The answer is C. The luminiferous ether. Who is born first, Franco Malapa or Wubbo Ockels? The answer is A. Wubbo Johannes Ockels. Why did the narrator take an extra long shower? The answer is C. They hadn't had running water in days. What tradition does the value judgment definition form all of? The answer is B. Bell's Letters Fine Writing Tradition. What century did the name of the Rhine come from? The answer is A. 1st century BC. How is the spirituality, or lack thereof, of this person? The answer is A. This is a very spiritual person. What conference was held in 1910? The answer is A. The Edinburgh Missionary Conference. What does a level Roman II emergency contingency plan cover? The answer is C. The most serious class of natural disasters. What can't happen to capacitors used in high current applications? The answer is B. Overheat. Cyanobacteria are bluish-green in color because they contain what? The answer is B. Chlorophyll. When did Spielberg win the Cecil B. DeMille Award? The answer is A. 2009. What may be the reason for people wanting to stay indoors for 5 days? The answer is A. Because of the weather. In which month is St. George's Day? The answer is B. April. What do you call the pattern of lines formed when light passes through a prism to separate it into the different frequencies of light it contains? The answer is D. Atomic emission spectrum. For what crime was Robert Hubert hanged in the 17th century? The answer is B. Starting the Great Fire of London. It was. When did South Africa impose the apartheid policy on Namibia? The answer is B. 1948. What is a term for a grouping of local schools that can exist independently?